Hello fine babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominica. If you're new here, welcome. We are a channel that we focus on custom made wigs, some beauty content, lifestyle, fashion, whichever one. This is a one-stop shop for all. Okay, anything beauty related, we're here for you. But anyways, as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be showing you how to define your coily wigs. Okay, quick and easy. Now for the show of the star of the show, so the star of the show this week, it's giving what it's supposed to give. You can't tell me anything, like, excuse you. But jokes aside, anyways, but I'm just here to tell you this week I'm putting on is going to be a new and latest wig. Her name is Sexy. As you can see, she's given the look very, very sexy and flirty, and it's for the girls that get it. And she is a 5x5 closure, HD, and our wigs are machine made. We also bleach the knots, we pluck the hairline, we style the wig for you. It comes everything, like, you're going to love it. Just as you can see, video don't lie. I'm just joking. But yeah, description to purchase sorry, link to purchase the wig will be down in the description box below. And happy Mother's Day. So today, by the time you're seeing this video, is Mother's Day, and for us, to you, for all our lovely and amazing mothers out there, we are giving $50 off for any wig purchase. Okay, this one is going to be retailing for $300, but for this month of May, since we're celebrating our moms, you got $50 off, and this week is $250. Like, you don't want to, like, who says curly wig needs to have a season? It's all season. I know it's the spring and summer right now, but it's perfect for the warm weather. It's like very, very, it's for the girls. It's for you. I know you need this. So head over to the description box below, click the link at checkout, write Mother's Day, and you're going to get $50 off this wig purchase or any wig purchase at all. Here is the code, Mother's Day. Okay, happy Mother's Day once more, and yeah, let's head straight into the video. So this is the hair freshly washed, and this is how it looks like, and this is how the back looks like. So what are you going to need? You're going to need a spray bottle with some water in it. You're also going to need our favorite mousse. It's the Nairobi mousse. You're going to need that. Next, you're going to need a hair serum. We always show this hair serum in our videos. This is a fave of ours. And the star of the show, you're going to need a detangling brush. Last but not the least, so if you're in a hurry, something you put on and you want the curls to dry quickly, you will need a blow dryer with this diffuser. Okay, you need this is the key element. But advisably, we need you, or it's required for you to let the hair dry, and the curls. It's going to be the same thing, but in this video I'll be showing you a blow dryer with the diffuser because we're in a hurry. Okay, all right, so please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone that would love to see this tutorial, and subscribe because we're on our way to 1,000 fine babes. And this month of May, we're celebrating Mother's Day, so we have our discount code Mother's Day at checkout. All the details of this hair, the tools, the products, everything will be listed down in the description box below. And yeah, so let's go. First, spray your hair. The lesser the product you use, the less weight you will have in your hair. Like your hair is not gonna feel. I sprayed water on my makeup. The hair is not going to feel heavy, and it's still going to have, if you want that wet look, so after you spray some water, you just add your mousse, add some gel, and you continue to have the wet look. But if that's not what you're going for, you want it to just look flowy, fresh, you know, this is what you do. So the hair is saturated. This is all we got. Now I will take my detangling brush and start from your tip, move your way up, okay? Start from the tip. You see what I'm doing? I'm combing the hair, making sure it gets into the brush. Making sure it gets into the brush. See that? Make sure it gets into the brush. Into that one. You don't know. Take our mousse. You saw the way I combed the hair, right? Sorry. Then you're gonna take your mousse, apply a generous amount of mousse. Okay. See that? I'm telling you, that I don't want to say I will not let you go until you bless me.
Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make you understand. Y'all will make the hands like this. Y'all will make the bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you want to do everything she want to, man.
We're gonna take our hands and scrunch it together, 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 scrunch it together. So after you're done scrunching it like this, if you're not in a hurry, all you need to do is let it air dry. Okay? But since I'm in a hurry, I'm going to go ahead and use a hair dryer with a diffuser on low heat. Low heat, okay? Now we're going to do this. The diffuser on low heat.
She was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares.
is like half dried, I'm going to go ahead and dry this other side. You can see how it's slowly coming together. It's not fully dried, so I'm going to dry this side and I'll be back. Okay. So the hair is like 60 to 70% dry. Okay, it's not fully dry. I'm going to show you the dry look, how it looks like when it's fully dry. And the more you play with your hair, the bigger it will be. Like if you want something very small, you just have to make sure you don't play with it, like mess with it. But if you want a bigger look, the more you play with it, you fluff it up, it gets as big as you can imagine. All right, so while it's like that, I'll go ahead and apply my hair serum real quick. You know, just I don't want to play with it too much because it's getting dry slowly, but yeah. And that is how quick and easy it gets for you to, you know, define your coils. Tell me that this look is not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay? Tell me. My top head is still wet, so I'm just making sure I don't play with it too much, but yeah. Thank you, fine babes, for staying till the end of this video. I truly appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment whatever video you would love for us to make and what you love to see or learn from us. Also, don't forget to share this video to your fine babe, your mother, your sister, your auntie, your grandma, whoever needs to learn how to make sure their curls are popping, okay? And subscribe if you're new here, because we have fun. We have fun here and we learn, we look beautiful and confident in whatever way we look. You know, because, you know, looking good is good business and I'm here for you. So, yes. Thank you very much, and what am I missing? Don't forget to shop. Link in the bio. Sorry, link in the description box. Have a good one and see you in our next video. Bye.